Ever wondered how to turn your computer into a powerful data analysis machine? You're in the right place. Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's Python for Data Analysis series. Today, we're going to set up your Python environment so you can hit the ground running with your data analysis projects. We'll cover installing Python, setting up Jupyter Notebook, and getting the essential libraries. Let's dive in and get you started on your data journey. First things first, let's install Python. Follow these steps to get started. Open your web browser and go to python.org. The link is also in the description below. Click on the download section and select the latest version of Python for your operating system. To run the downloaded installer file. When the setup window opens, you'll see a checkbox that says Add Python to Path. Make sure to check this box. This step is crucial as it allows you to run Python from the command line. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, click Close. After installing, we need to verify the installation. So follow these steps. Open your command prompt or terminal, type Python version and press Enter. You should see the version number of Python you just installed. This confirms that Python is installed and added to your path. Next, let's install Jupyter Notebook, an essential tool for data analysis. Follow these steps. Open your command prompt or terminal, type pip install Jupyter and press Enter. This will install Jupyter Notebook on your system. Pip is a package manager for Python that allows you to install additional libraries and tools. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments as it downloads and installs the necessary packages. Once the installation is complete, let's launch Jupyter Notebook. Follow these steps. Open your command prompt or terminal. Type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. Jupyter Notebook will open in your default web browser, showing the Notebook dashboard. This is the Jupyter Notebook dashboard. Here you can create new notebooks, open existing ones, and manage your files. Now that Jupyter Notebook is set up, let's install some essential Python libraries for data analysis: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Follow these steps. Open your command prompt or terminal. Then type pip install NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and press Enter. This will install the essential libraries for data analysis. NumPy provides support for arrays and mathematical functions, Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments as it downloads and installs the libraries. Let's create a new Jupyter Notebook to verify that everything is working correctly. Follow these steps. In the Jupyter Notebook interface, click New and select Python 3. This will create a new notebook where you can write and run Python code. In the first cell, type the following code to import the libraries and verify the installation. Run the cell and ensure there are no errors. If the libraries are imported successfully, you will see the message "All libraries are successfully installed." Quick pause.
If you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
That's it. Your Python environment is now set up and ready for data analysis. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Python tutorials. See you in the next video.